Keeping a reading journal changed my reading experience completely. I'm an avid reader since I was a child, but I wasn't used to taking notes because I thought it was a waste of time. But thankfully, I decided to try it out. Taking books notes helps me to comprehend better the story and the book ideas. It pushes me to read the book carefully and pay attention to the details. Also, it's more practical to read the notes after a time, instead of reading the whole book one more time. I love digital notebooks for iPad, so I created my own digital reading journal. It can be used easily with free note-taking apps. If you want to make the most out of your readings, you can download my digital reading journal for free with the link in the description. It's easier for me to use a digital reading journal on my iPad. It has many resources that aren't available with additional pen and paper journals. As it's hyperlinked, you can easily browse its pages. You can add images to your digital reading journal from both the iPad gallery or the web. And this is so convenient for adding the book cover on the bookshelf and decorating your notes. On the bookshelf page, add the stars emojis to rate the book you read or fill the stars with a pen tool. If needed, adjust the hyperlink. Here, for example, I'm just expanding the clickable area. And if you're enjoying this video, please like it to let me know it. I appreciate it a lot. On the notes page, there is a header section to write some information to identify your book. Here, you can write the book title, author, the edition, start and finish dates. I also love drawing on other apps like Procreate and then inserting the illustrations into my reading journal. Sometimes, you'd rather type your thoughts and ideas instead of writing by hand. So you can use a text box on the note-taking app, or even open the journal file on the laptop with the iCloud app for Windows. You can write down whatever you want in your digital reading journal, but personally, I like to write quotes, the book's structure, concept, and ideas. So, this is my digital reading journal, and I hope it's helpful for you too. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this one. Bye bye!